Hi everyone, you'd be used to seeing me doing videos for Patchwork with Busy Fingers, but today I come to you with my new hat on, or my other hat for Millhouse Collections. So we'll be running a series of videos doing numerous things, simple things that you can make very easily, and we hope that you will join us every time we do one of these videos, and maybe you'll learn something or find out a new technique. So I'm going to take the silly hat off now. Today I'm going to talk about, everybody knows pre-cuts, and lots of people know what to do with pre-cuts, but one of the simplest things that you can do with pre-cuts is just make some simple table placemats and some coasters that match, and you can decorate any table for any occasion. So if you're doing a fun barbecue or something, and you've got some friends coming over and you just want to decorate your table up a little bit, you can very quickly make up some nice matching placemats and coasters. So what I've done is I took two 10-inch squares from a stacker. So these are the stackers from Riley Blake, they're the chevrons. And right through that stack you've got different coloured prints all the way through, no double ups. And then you'll have the white with the colour, and then further down through here you'll have the colour with the colour, so the tonal prints. And what I've done is I have taken, with this one, these ones, I've taken the colour and the white, paired it with the tonal colours and joined them together. So I took two 10-inch stackers, or two 10-inch pieces, 10-inch squares, and put them together right sides together, and just place a piece of fusible fleece onto the back, onto one side, and you can press that Okay, so I've sewn all the way around with a 1/4-inch seam allowance, leaving just a small gap on one side so we can turn it out. Okay, I'm just going to take my little scissors and clip the corners off. And then we can turn this right side out. So on this one I've used navy and white on one side, and one of the multicoloured chevrons on the other, which does have a little navy stripe through it, so it matches up. Turn it all the way out, push the corners out, and you can generally poke them out nice and sharp with either your fingernail, or if you can't get it all the way out, I would generally just use a little pin and pull those corners out so they're nice and pointed. Then you can just take that to your ironing board, lay it out. I usually give it a press right here, and I iron my seam allowance back in here, and then you can either do a small machine stitch along there, but I tend to want to hand sew that because I don't want people to see that stitching along there. And there you've got one of your placemats, double-sided. So what I've made is a whole set of them. So a whole set of 6 I have here. So we've got the green with the shaded one on the back, and the orange, the pink, the yellow, the blue, and the red. So great for a picnic table. If you've got friends coming over and you want to make a bit of an impression, it's a great party look. Then what I've done is I took the 5-inch stackers, and to make matching coasters to go on the table, you can just take your 5-inch stacker, and again I've taken a 5-inch stacker, I've put the fusible fleece onto the one side and fused it on, and then you'd sew around the outside edge again with a 1/4 inch, leave a gap at the top, turn it out, sew it close, and then you've got your matching coasters to go with that. So I've done this one in the mauve so you can see all the different colours that we have in the stacker in these 10-inch and 5-inch stackers. So that's a great way to do, a really quick way to dress up a table really quickly when you've got friends coming over. So I hope that that's a useful bit of information for you, and it's a way for you to use your 10 and 5-inch stackers that you maybe have been collecting over the years. And next time we're going to be back with something new, so I look forward to seeing you again then.